Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem by simplifying square root of 15 plus square root of 21 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 35 over square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus square root of 20. So it will be equal to, from here, square root of 15. Square root of 15 is same as square root of 3 times 5 plus square root of 21 is same as square root of 3 times 7 plus square root of 25 is same as square root of 5 times 5, then plus square root of 35 is same as square root of 5 times 7, then over this square root of 3 plus square root of 7, then plus square root of 20 is same as square root of 4 times 5. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, we separate these square roots. So square root of 3 times 5 is same as square root of 3 times square root of 5 plus square root of 3 times 7 is same as square root of 3 times square root of 7 plus square root of 5 times 5 is same as square root of 5 times square root of 5 plus square root of 5 times 7 is same as square root of 5 times square root of 7, then over square root of 3 plus square root of 7, then plus, we separate this also, so it will be square root of 4 times 5 is same as square root of 4 times square root of 5. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, from here, square root of 3 is common, so we'll take square root of 3 out of bracket, then this divided by square root of 3, it is this square root of 5 plus this divided by square root of 3, it is this square root of 7 bracket, then plus into here square root, also square root of 5 is common, so we'll take square root of 5 out of bracket, this divided by this, it is this square root of 5 plus this divided by this, it is this square root of 7 bracket, then over into here it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 7 plus square root of 4, it is 2 times this square root of 5. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, into here square root of 5 plus square root of 7 is common, so we'll take square root of 5 plus square root of 7 out of bracket, then this divided by this, it is this square root of 3, then plus this divided by this, it is this square root of 5 bracket, then over into here it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 7, then plus 2 square root of 5 is same as square root of 5 plus square root of 5. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, into here we have 5 plus square root of 7, 3 plus square root of 5. So also here we can make look like this. So it will be square root of 5 plus square root of 7 bracket times square root of 3 plus square root of 5 bracket, then over into here in the denominator, it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So we take here square root of 3, sorry, here to be square root of 3 plus square root of 5. We'll take this together, then plus square root of 7 plus square root of 5. We'll take this together, so it will be bracket, here we start with square root of 5 plus square root of 7. Now into here we can see now square root of 5 plus square root of 7 is common, so we'll let a is equal to square root of 5 plus square root of 7, and also here square root of 5 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 is common, so we'll let b is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Then it will be equal to, into here, this is a times b, so it will be ab over this is b, here b, and this plus this, which is a, so it will be b plus a. Now we'll be finding this, whereas this will let all this as x, so we'll be finding x. Then in the next step we'll find the reciprocal of, so as to simplify this, reciprocal of x, it is 1 over x, then is equal to reciprocal of this, it will be b plus a. This will be in the numerator, so it will be a plus b over this will be in the denominator, so it will be ab. Then in the next step it will be 1 over x is equal to, into here it will be a over ab, so here a over ab plus b over ab, so b over ab. Then in the next step from here we will simplify, so it will be 1 over x is equal to, a will cancel this a, so it will be 1 over b, so here 1 over b plus b will cancel this b, so it will be 1 over a. Then it will be 1 over x is equal to 1 over b, whereas b, before we let b as square root of 3 plus square root of 5, so b, it is square root of 3 plus square root of 5, then plus 1 over a we let as a, it is square root of 5 plus square root of 7, so here square root of 5 plus square root of 7. Then it will be 1 over x is equal to, into here we rationalize the denominator, so it will be 1 over square root of 3 plus square root of 5, here we write square root of 5 plus square root of 3, then bracket, so to rationalize the denominator it will be square root of 5 positive, here to be minus square root of 3, bracket. Then here we did like this in front, this in the back, so as when we square root of 5 minus square root of 3, so as it can be positive value, so we'll multiply this also in the numerator, so it will be bracket square root of 5 minus square root of 3, bracket. Then plus this, it will be 1 over square root of 5 plus square root of 7 is same as 1 over square root of 7 minus plus square root of 5, which is same thing. Then we multiply by, here we have positive, so it will be negative, so it will be square root of 5 minus square root of 7 minus square root of 5. Also in here it will be square root of 7 minus square root of 5. Then it will be 1 over x is equal to, into here this times this, it will be square root of 5 minus square root of 3, then over square root of 5 plus square root of 3 times square root of 5 minus square root of 3. This is in the form of a perfect square, so whereas this is in the form of the perfect square rule in this form, whereas this is in the form of a plus b bracket times a minus b bracket, whereas it is equal to a square minus b square. So here it will be square root of 5 square, so square root of 5 square minus square root of 3 square, then plus 1 times this, it will be square root of 7 minus square root of 5, then over here it will be, this also is in the form of a perfect square, so we'll apply this rule here, a square minus b square. So here it will be square root of 7 square, so square root of 7 square minus square root of 5 square. Then it will be 1 over x is equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 3 over, into here this square root will cancel square, this square root will cancel square, So it will be 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then plus, also in here in the numerator it will be square root of 7 minus square root of 5 over this square root you cancel square root you cancel square, so it will be 7 minus 5, it is 2. Then it will be 1 over x is equal to the LCM, it is 2, so here it will be over 2. 2 divided by 2, it is this, so it will be square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Then plus 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 1 times this, it will be square root of 7 minus square root of 5. Then to simplify now, square root of 5 minus square root of 5 is 0. So this and this will cancel. So it will be 1 over x is equal to minus square root of 3 plus square root of 7 is same as square root of 7 minus square root of 3. Then over this 2. Then into here, we have 1 over x. So we will find the value of x. So we'll take the reciprocal. 1 over x reciprocal, it is x is equal to the reciprocal of this, it will be this, it will be in the numerator, this in the denominator. So it will be 2 over square root of 7 minus square root of 3. Then into here, we rationalize this denominator. So it will be times, here it will be square root of 7 minus, it will be plus square root of 3. Also in here, it will be square root of 7, then plus square root of 3. Then it will be x is equal to this times this, so it will be 2, then bracket square root of 7 plus square root of 3 bracket, then over into here this also square root of 7 minus square root of 3 times square root of 7 plus square root of 3. This is in the form of a perfect square, so it will be square root of 7 square minus square root of 3 square. Then it will be x is equal to 2, then bracket square root of 7 plus square root of 3 bracket, then over here this square root will cancel square root will cancel square, so it will be 7 minus 3, it is 4. Then it will be x is equal to simplify, this 2 will cancel here, it will be 2, so it will be this over 2, so square root of 7 plus square root of 3 over this 2. Therefore, this is the simple form of this our problem. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.